We are saying goodbye to the RM1X and hello to the Deluge. So I've not opened this yet. This is how it's arrived. It's just been shipped from New Zealand. It got here in record time to the UK. Can't believe how quick that was. I wasn't expecting it till next week. So I've not opened this yet. I don't know what's in here other than a Deluge. Real nice packaging. Looks like we've got a USB cable. And very simply wrapped up in bubble wrap, we have a Deluge. Look at that. So size wise, smaller than the RM1X. I'm definitely going to save some space. No depth to it at all. It's very, very small. It can go in a laptop bag, and as I'm sure you know, it has a battery, so you can take it with you wherever you go. I don't know if there's any charge in it yet. Oh, there is some charge. And that's it. That's got to be the shortest unboxing in the history of unboxings. There you go.